All right. Before we jump into commands, let's take just a moment to understand what we're working with today. CachyOS is a performance-focused Linux distribution built on Arch. It's tuned for speed, low latency, and responsiveness, especially on modern hardware. Out of the box, it already feels snappy, but Cachy is also flexible enough to let us push things further. That's where the Linux Zen kernel comes in. The Zen kernel is a modified Linux kernel designed to improve desktop responsiveness. It focuses on smoother multitasking, better input latency, and a more responsive system overall. If you care about how your system feels during daily use, this kernel is worth trying. First, we need Yay, which is an AUR helper. CachyOS doesn't ship with it by default, so we'll install it manually. Now that Yay is installed, we're ready for the main part. Using Yay, we search for the Linux Zen kernel package. CachyOS works perfectly with it, so there's nothing special to configure here. We simply install the kernel and its headers so everything stays compatible with system updates and drivers. Yay will handle the dependencies automatically. Just follow the prompts and let it complete the installation. Once the installation finishes, the new kernel is already in place. All that's left now is a reboot. Go ahead and restart your system. When CachyOS boots back up, it will automatically use the Linux Zen kernel unless you manually select something else in the boot menu. You can verify the kernel version after login to confirm everything worked correctly. And that's it. You're now running CachyOS with the Linux Zen kernel installed successfully. The system should feel more responsive, especially during multitasking and interactive workloads.